try. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we...
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making another no-bake dessert in this time of year when it's really hot outside. I hope y'all all enjoy them as much as I do. And so today I'm making a no-bake Italian cream cake, and these are my ingredients: vanilla wafers, coconut, cherries, Eagle brand condensed milk, pineapple, whipped topping, and I'm going to be using 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And this recipe will be in the description below. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is add in my Eagle brand milk. I hope everyone is staying cool because here in Georgia it's really hot. Okay, and humid to go along with it. Okay, so now I'm going to add my lemon juice in, and this is 1/4 cup. I'm going to just use my whisk and get this stirred up really good. I smell that lemon juice. It smells really good. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my whole can of pineapple with the juice. Okay, I'm going to stir this up. That really looks good and creamy. I can smell that good pineapple in there. Okay, so now then I'm going to put my vanilla wafers. I'm going to move this to the side and put my... Okay, so now I'm going to add in my vanilla wafers. I'm going to put a whole layer on the bottom. So now I'm going to add in my pineapple and cream cheese mixture. Okay. Right, now then I'm going to add in another layer of vanilla wafers. This is kind of like a banana pudding. Without the bananas. You could also probably put bananas in here if you wanted them. Also, you could put nuts in it. So now then I'm going to be putting on my Cool Whip. Okay. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my coconut on. Let me wipe my hands off a little bit. Okay. If you don't like coconut, you can put pecans on the top. And you can put as much coconut on it as you want. But I like coconut, so I'll probably put a bunch. Okay. I love good old coconut cake too. In fact, that was my mother's favorite cake, was coconut, and I always made her one on her birthday. But she's passed on now. But every time I eat food with coconut, I always think about her. Okay. All right. Okay. Now that was a real easy recipe. It's the first time I've ever made it, and I hope it's really good, and I'll give you an honest opinion on it when I sample it tomorrow. And I'm not going to put these cherries on it until tomorrow because I don't want it to turn my cake pink. So I'll be back in the morning, and we'll let it refrigerate all night, and I'll do the taste test tomorrow. It's the next day, and so my no-bake Italian cream cake has been refrigerating all night long, and so it's time to do the taste test. And if you wonder why I have on a different shirt, it's because it is the next day. And so also I got some late birthday cards that came in yesterday, and so we didn't get to recognize them on our Sunday chat. And Myron Diego, she sent this one right here. And she also sent a little sweet note in there for Calvin. And it's a cute little card. We save all of our subscriber cards and all their little notes that they send us. Also, John Graham sent a birthday card, and she also wrote a sweet note in there. And it's a cute little card too. And so we're really thankful for our subscribers. And so now it's time for me to do the taste test. So, first of all though, I'm going to put my cherries on here. These were not the prettiest cherries, but they're cherries nonetheless. We had to get these cherries at our local grocery store, and they don't have as good a selection as Walmart does. Okay, so now I'm going to do the taste test. Me and Calvin thinks that this dessert should be renamed Italian pudding instead of Italian cream cake. Okay, so here goes the taste test. I think I'll get that cherry too. This is very good. I really like this. Calvin, you can taste this off of camera. There's your clean spoon.
Okay.
See how you like it.
That is really good, isn't it?
It is. So this little dessert right here would be good to take to any dinner that you have or any church function. It's really delicious in it.
I'm loving this, Marie.
It's
It's
great.
got good pineapple in it, and you can taste that lemon juice and the coconut. Very good.
Yeah, and it's a good summertime cold dessert. Okay, everyone, I hope you like this dessert as much as we do. And if you do like it, let us, and when you make it, let us know, how you like it. And so I'm gonna close this video out now. So y'all do what you love and love what you do. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Every night when I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later, it comes later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that we